Happy Tuesday. Glad you guys are here. I know you guys can't hear my music. I've got music. I promise I'm not just dancing by myself. I mean, not that that would be weird or anything, because that's totally okay. Just be you. Do whatever you want to do, right? But there is music. Boo on Facebook and music licensing and all that stuff that doesn't let us play music. I mean, I guess I could try to find some instrumental stuff, but that's, I'll work on that. All right, anyways, I'm glad you guys are here. Waiting for a Tabata Tuesday, a tornado Tabata Tuesday. All right, let's see who's on. What's up, Max? What up, what up? What's up, Christine Werner? Good to see you. Good shot, good morning. What's up, Coach Jay? Laura, what's up, Laura? Good to see you this morning. All right. What's up, Maritza? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Michelle McNeil, yes, Kashas, ready. Stand by putting down bacon. I was going to say to put down the bacon, but I didn't want to be all mean about it. I mean, I know it's an inside joke, but I didn't want everybody else to think I was like being negative. All right, what's up, Tara? Good morning. What's up, Melissa? Good morning. Portia, what's up? Way to hop on. Sue Carneseca, good morning. Kathy Biondi, I see you. Good to see you. Glad you guys are here this morning. What's up, CC? Way to pop in. All right. Tabata Tuesday. Tornado. We're going to go through 6 exercises. We're going to go through those 6 exercises 7 times. We're going to go through them like a tornado style. So we're going to go 1 through 6. We'll get a little bit of a rest, and then we'll go through them again a few more times for a total of 7. All right. Let's see. Anybody else popping on? Also, remember, we are taking a poll on Facebook for virtual Zoom sessions. So this way we can see you, you can see us, we can make that connection. We're going to try and see what sessions we're going to implement immediately, and then we'll try to start dripping in more sessions as things go on. So please, if you haven't already, hop on Facebook, select the times that you will attend, right? Not that you're like, oh, that would be really nice, but I don't know if I'll actually show up. I want the ones that you guys are actually going to attend, right? That's so important for engagement. And then also remember, Wednesdays at 1 o'clock, so tomorrow 1 o'clock, we're going to do our first nutrition call, Zoom call. And then on Friday evening at 5 o'clock, we're also going to do a nutrition Zoom call. Both are going to contain the same topic, so you don't want to attend both unless you forgot something in the first one and you want to kind of rehash it in the second one. We're going to cover the same topics, but different times for different people with different schedules, all right? So 1 o'clock tomorrow, and then 5 o'clock on Friday evening, and then once we gather some information, we're going to put together a schedule for those Zoom virtual workouts, all right? We'll still do these lives. We just might adjust the time for the live videos because we want to do them a little bit separate so that we can upload this on YouTube, but we're not going to upload the Zoom calls on YouTube because it just won't look nice, right? So that being said, any more people pop in? All right, what's up, Vanessa? Good to see you. What's up, Carrie? Good morning. I see you. All right, Karen's here. Good morning. I'm assuming John's with you. Jen Parsons, what's up? Good to see you. Parson, I always say sins. Parson. I'm hoping Nico's there with you. All right, Vanessa Hong, good to see you. Vanessa Nguyen. All right, good. I like it. I think it's time. Yes, it's time. Let's get this workout started. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah, I can hear you guys. You guys are excited about it. You ready, Liz? Yes, Liz is ready. She gave me the thumbs up. All right. Much better than, anyways. All right, let's start warming up.
Okay, we're going to start off with good morning.
All right, good morning. So remember those good mornings, slide bend in the knees, but remember it's a hip movement. Ooh, we're going to stretch those hammies out, squeeze. All right, the reason why we want to get them warmed up, we've got some movement. We got a full body extension jump. at the bottom of that list. So we want to get those hammies warmed up. We don't want to pop a hammy because we didn't warm them up. We didn't stretch them out, all right? This is a dynamic stretch. So we're moving through the movements, right? We're not doing a static stretch where we're holding this position. Before an exercise, we should do more static movement or more dynamic movement. And then at the end of your workout, a more static movement is going to be best for you, okay? All right, so 6 stations we're going to work through. We're going to work through those 6 stations 7 times. We're going to go through the list once. You're going to get 30 seconds to recover or do some sort of active rest. And then we're going to start at the top and go through them again 6 more times, all right? That's going to be the end of our workout once we get done with that 7th round. All right, getting down to 5 seconds here, and we're going to go to a squat to reach. So squat, we're going to reach up, we're going to squat, we're going to reach to the side. This is good practice to work on the depth of your squat. All right, so the first exercise are called predator jacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to have, it's almost a form of a seal jack, but we're not going to keep our elbows pinned. We're going to keep our arms straight out in front of us, feet together, hands together, and as we go out, we're going to separate those arms. We want to move them in a T, okay, just like we would with the squat jack, okay, but we're going to open those arms and we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades together into that T, right? We don't want to stop here. We want to go all the way out here. We want to squeeze those shoulders together as we come across, all right? So that's going to be your predator jacks. Of course, just like anything else, you can step it as well, okay? There, all right? Then we're going to go to the floor. We're going to do plank jacks. So plank jacks, we're going to get here. We're going to get into a plank position. You can decide if you want to do a low plank or standing bicycle crunches. There you go. Or you can do a high plank here. That's up to you. Regardless, we want to keep those hips up. We don't want those hips sagging, right? So good hips up, feet are together, and then we're going to separate here. Okay? If you want to go low plank, you can go low plank and do the same movement. Okay? Keeping that core nice and tight. We don't want to see that hip bounce up and down. We don't want that, okay? If that's difficult for you or you want lower impact, you can step it. Just keep that core nice and tight. You can also do so from that high plank position, all right? Then we're going to go to touch and jumps. So touch and jump, feet a little wider, shoulder width apart. We're going to go down into that squat. We're going to try and touch the ground. Now, if you can't touch the ground, that's okay. Go down as low as you can. And then we're going to hop it. There, right there, okay? All right.
Stretch, twist.
Runner stretch twist. We'll get into that runner position. The twist over to the outside is the most important part.
Switch.
Okay, and then do a couple switch. Good. All right. So back to what I was saying. Those touch and jumps. Down to the ground. If you can touch, great. If you can't, then don't. Try to keep that chest up. We're not going to bend over here for this particular movement. We want to keep that chest up. I want to be able to reach your chest, all right? If you don't want to jump, up on your tippy toes you go. Right there, okay? Then we're going to go to the floor for number 4, and we're going to go bicycle crunches. So we're going to go here and really working. If you want to really challenge yourself, you can go and stay on that tailbone, right? That's going to be a little bit more difficult, but try it out. You may find that you like the burn. All right, then we're going to go sumo squat pulse. All right, toe touches, toe touches. Right there, straight leg. Again, we're stretching those hammies out. All right, sumo squat pulse. Good wide feet, lots of legs today. I don't know if you noticed. So from here, you can pray, keep your hands there. You can put it on top of your head. There's no right or wrong what you do with your hands, but those feet are going to be apart. We want to lower through those heels. All right, really focus on those heels. I almost actually dig my heels in just to remind myself to lower through my heels, because otherwise I'm going to want to go on my toes, and that's not what we want to do for this particular movement, okay? Through those heels and pulse. All right? Last but not least, full body extension jumps. Okay, remember, full body extension. We still have those bent knees, very much like those good mornings, but then we're going to push our butt back, okay? This is an explosive movement. Here, driving those hips all the way up. We do want our chest to come forward in this movement, okay? When we come down, okay? We want to explode, jog in place, yep. We want to explode through our hammies and our glutes all the way up. If you don't feel like jumping, then you can just go here and explode. Explode, okay? Chest up, explode, all right? So, those are your work exercises for today. Again, 20 seconds to work, 10 seconds to transition to that next exercise. We're gonna go through the list. You're gonna get 30 seconds. Do something to challenge yourself. If you need the rest, take the rest. If you can do a plank, maybe you wanna hold a squat for those 30 seconds to challenge yourself, do that as well, all right? That's what we're looking for. Here we go, we're gonna get this party started. Anybody else pop in?
Yes.
Frederic, what's up? All right. John, I see you. Mac Attack, good morning. All right, here we go. Get this workout on. We're gonna kick our own butts. It's gonna feel so good. I hope you guys are excited as much as I'm excited. All right, here we go. Predator Jack, starting out here in about 5 seconds. Remember, hands and feet together here. And separate. Squeeze, yes. All right. Remember, you can step it if you don't want to jump. All right, do what's right for your body, but challenge yourself, right? 3, 2, 1, all right. Then we're gonna do plank jacks. And to the floor we go. I'm gonna go low plank. All right, here we go. Hop in or step in. I promise the stepping will give you plenty of work. All right? 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds, come on. Start your breathing now. There we go. All right, up you go. Touch and jumps, I believe. Yes. Here we go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Make those legs work. Yeah, come on, come on. You got it. Reach tall. 5 seconds. Yes, 3, 2, 1. All right, bicycle crunches, I believe. Down we go. All right. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Rotate. Rotate those shoulders. You don't have to go fast. Good strong movements. 3, 2, 1. All right. Sumo squat pulse. Wide feet, toes pointed out. Here we go. Do what you want with your hands. Drive through those heels, lower through the heels. Your speed determines your intensity. 3, 2, 1. All right, full body extensions. Remember hip hinge. All right, there we go. 2, 1. Push those hips back. Let that chest come forward. Legs stay relatively straight. Explode, explode. All right, 30 seconds, first break. I'm gonna go plank. All right, one down team. Heart rate's getting up there. We're gonna start our next station in about 10 seconds. Here we go. Getting ready. Here we go. Predator jacks. Hands and feet together. Ah, yeah. Come on. Squeeze. Pull those arms apart. 2. Up. Something's wrong with the timer. Hold on. We're going to do this again. Skip that. You get a little extra rest here. Oh, yeah. 6 rounds. 7 Tabatas. All right.
Nothing.
That time was wrong. All right, here we go. Starting in 10 seconds.
Predator jacks.
Predator jacks. All right, I got to fix this time. Okay, here we go. Back to those predator jacks. Yes. Don't let those arms drop down here. Keep them tied. Keep them high. Come on. Yes. Sink in. Sink in. 3, 2, 1. All right. Plank jacks. Here we go. I'll go high plank this time. Right there. Keep those hips up. Don't let them sag. Come on. Come on. Keep it up. Keep it up. Again, step it if you need to. 2, 1. All right. There we go. All right. Touching jumps. Since you got a little extra rest, you get to pick up your intensity now. Here we go. Touching jumps. Go. Come on. Yes. And even if you're not jumping, doesn't mean you can't squat quick. Doesn't mean you can't move quick. Remember, heavy heels on those squats. 5 seconds. Come on. 2, 1. All right, bicycle crunches. Here we go. There we go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. All right. Here we go. Sumo squat pulse. Here we go. Wide feet. Come on. Tall chest, right? We're not letting our head get down. Head stays tall.
5 seconds remaining.
There you go. Come on. 2, 1. All right. Full body extension. Those hips, that chest comes forward. And then we're going to explode. 2, 1, and go. I'm keeping good posture as I'm coming down. 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, rest number 2. Go back to my plank. I love planks. Keeping everything engaged. And this is a short plank. It's only 20, 30 seconds. All right, so you guys are all capable. You just got to try. We're going to get ready here in about 10 seconds. All right. All right, here we go. Predator jacks. 3, 2, 1. Go. Everybody's shoulder mobility is going to be different. Really try to squeeze it back. Come on. Yes. 2, 1. All right, there you go. Plank jacks. Going down to my elbows. Low plank. 3, 2, 1. Good job. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Whew. There you go. Touch and jump. Come on. Big deep breath. 2, 1. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Fight. Dig. Push. Yes. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bicycle crunches. Here we go. Long legs, full extension. Bring that shoulder all the way around. Come on.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Sumo squats. Here we go. Wide feet. Sinking to the heels. Yes. Yes. Come on. Fight it.
5 seconds remaining.
3, 2, 1. All right. Full body extension. Last one here. My chest coming down. For see my posture. My chest stays back or stays forward. My shoulders stay back. Come on.
5 seconds remaining. 3, 2,
Yes. All right. What's that, 3 down, 4 down? I think that's 3 down. You guys are almost at the halfway mark. Good job, team. Continue to challenge yourself, right? Continue to make it hurt, make it harder for yourself. 15 seconds. We're gonna get ready here in about 5 seconds. Here we go. Rudder jacks. Here we go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
5 seconds remaining.
3, 2, 1. All right, plank jacks. Here we go. There we go. Come on. You can do it. Just push, dig. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Touch and jumps. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 1. Right. Reach. Get up there. Come on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Bicycle crunches. Here we go, team. Keep working. 2, 1, and go. Rotate. Shoulders all the way around. Keep working. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Sumos. Here we go. Keep those legs engaged. Don't go through the motion. Don't let momentum take you. Keep those legs tense. Keep them strong. Let them bear the weight the whole time. 3, 2, 1. All right. Total body extension. Here we go. Remind yourself, get in that position first. And drive. And drive. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. We're halfway through, I believe. Yes. We got 3 more rounds to go. A little more than halfway. Come on, join me for this plank. Don't wait around. Come on. Get down here. Get a 10-second, 20-second plank. Force yourself to learn to recover in an active position. Your breathing control is the most important thing you got going. We're gonna get ready here in about 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right. Predator jacks. Come on, let's go. And go. Squeeze. 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 Come on. 3, 2, 1. All right. Plank jacks. Plank jacks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Try to keep those legs straight. Try to keep that core engaged. 3, 2, 1. All right. Touch and jumps. Touch and jumps. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit wider, shoulder width apart. And go. Come on. And go. And go. Come on. Next one. Fight it. Don't give in. Let's go. 10 seconds to go, team. Fight through that next one. Fight through that burn. 3, 2, 1. All right. Bicycle crunches. Come on. 2, 1. And go. Second half of the workout. Most important part of the workout. It becomes mental up here, right? You gotta fight through that tired feeling. 3, 2, 1. All right. 2 more exercises. Sumo pulse. Here we go. Legs engaged the whole time. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. Let's go. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. Total body extensions. We're getting down to 2 more rounds left after this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hips back. Touch that wall behind you. Chest comes forward. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got 2 more rounds. Go, team. Don't quit now. Take it up a notch. Maybe some hip dips, huh? Come on. Join me. Starting in 5, or we'll get ready in about 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 5 seconds more. 2, 1. All right. Predator jacks. Here we go. 1 and go. Come on, fight it, team. Fight the burn. Fight the quit. Come on. It's only Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. 2, 1. All right, plank jacks. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Come on. Come on. You got it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Touch and jumps. Come on. Yes. Be machine. 2, 1. Here we go. Terminator. All right. Come on. Fight through. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, bicycle crunches. Come on. You got it. Dig. Whew. Come on, fight it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Sumo squat pulse. You got this. Let's go. Come on, let's go. 1 and go. Legs engaged the whole time. Muscles engaged the whole time. Breathing through our work. Come on. Driving, lowering through those heels. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Full body extension. Second to the last round. Here we go. Chest forward. And up. Here you go. Explode those hips forward. Heads back. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last set of everything. 6 exercises. Eliminating them off the list. Here we go. I want hip dips. There we go. There we go. You got it, team. We got to dig deep for this. We got a couple minutes left, starting in 5 seconds. Couple minutes left in our workout. Let's get ready for the predator jacks. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and go. Come on. Dig. Keep fighting. Yes. You got it. Come on. Less than 10 seconds to go here. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 1 down. Plank jacks. 3, 2, 1, and go. Dig. Fight. Breathe. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. 3, 2, 1. All right, touch and jumps. 2 down. 4 to go. It's going by quick. 2, 1. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. One more. All right, bicycle crunch. Here we go. 3 more exercises. reps. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Long legs. Close to the ground. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, 2 more exercises. Squat pulse. Full body extensions. Let's go. 3, 2, white feet. And go. Come on. Yeah. You got it. Keep it up, team. Keep driving. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Last one. Full body extension. Hips back. 3, 2, 1. And go. Up. Halfway there. Less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Good work. Good work. Great job, team. Oh, not so bad compared to that E-Mom yesterday, right? Oh. Great job today, team. Way to show up. Way to put in work. Thank you so much for making us a part of your day. Remember to check in on Facebook, make it public. Hashtag FBBC Strong. Chime in on that poll if you haven't already, okay? All right, we'll bring it in. All right, get your hands in there. Great job, team. Stay happy, stay healthy. Way to make your health a priority today. Appreciate you guys supporting us and being here with us. It gives us so much energy, and we hope that we give you energy. All right, Zoom call's coming soon. Have a wonderful day. Love you all. We're gonna say FBBC Strong on 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. FBBC Strong. Good job, team. Well done. See you guys all tomorrow. Same time, same place, different programming. All right, love you all.
Bye.
Oh.
Do what makes you happy today.
Yes, do what makes you happy. You hate me in a good way, Christine. Thank you. What's up, Gasha? Good job, buddy. Good job, Bobby. What's up, Bobby? What's up, Ellen?
Oh, it was Ellen's
Ellen's birthday yesterday, yes.
Oh, her birthday birthdays.
What?
Yeah. All 29 of them.
All right, yes, get low, Sean. I like it, yes, sir. What's up, Rosaline? Hi, Soul. Hi, Nikki. Crystal, what up? All right, team. Great job. Thanks, John. Thanks, Melissa. Thank you, Karen. All right. Mark Mack. Thank you, brother. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.